How to move a file on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to move a file on Dropbox easily and fast. First thing, go to Dropbox. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Choose the file that you want to move. For example, I'm going to choose this one and click here on those three dots right here. Click on them like this and scroll down until you find move option. Click on move. Now choose where you want to move it. For example, I'm gonna choose this folder and click move right here. Now as you can see, I just moved this file to this folder easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.